Alrighty, welcome back to Free Teach. Today we're looking at arrays. So this looks at when there's multiple outcomes in two trials. And we use, it looks like a bit of a two-way table for those that saw the last video. So in this, we've got all the possibilities from trial one, across the top there, and then all the possibilities from trial two. So for instance, this might be spinning a spinner, and it has the numbers 1, 2, and 3 on it. So we can either get a 1, 2, or 3 on the first trial, and a 1, 2, or 3 on the second trial. And then from this, we can work out the probabilities of different combinations of numbers and the most likely tallies, that sort of stuff. Alrighty, so fill in the missing outcomes, then count the total number of outcomes, okay, for this first one. Alrighty, so the first one, we can get a 1, then a 1, 2 and a 1, and then a 3 and a 1. All right. So it's important that this number here is first because that was the first trial. Same here, we would have a 1 and a 2, a 2 and a 2, and then 3 and a 2. And lastly, we have a 1 and a 3, a 2 and a 3, sorry, and a 3 and a 3. Down the bottom here, we can see we've got X's in this diagonal. Okay, that's telling us that once we draw an A out, it can't be drawn again. Same as it's like having these three letters in a bag. When we draw a B out, it can't be drawn again, and the same with C. So these three letters are in a bag, you draw one out, so therefore it can't be drawn again. Then on the second go, if we have a B first, we can draw an A, and if we have a C first, we can draw an A after that. Now, if we draw an A first, we can draw a B next, or we can draw an A, then a C next. A B, we can draw an A after that. We can also draw a C after that. And lastly, the C can be followed by an A, or it can be followed by B. Alrighty, so total number of outcomes to this first one, the outcomes equal to 9, 3 by 3. Total number of outcomes for the bottom one, it's called without replacement, when a previous outcome is not able to be replaced. So we consider that 3 and 3, so we've got 6. Okay, next for the tables below, determine which shows selection with and without replacement. So I've just gone through this basically. So in this one, we've got the letters for MAT, or TAM if you spell it backwards, or AMT, or ATM. Let's keep it simple. We've got the letters for MAT, and once we draw M out, this one is showing us that that's going to be placed back in the bag, and we can draw M out again. Similar for A and T. On the other hand, in our table B, we're showing that once we draw out M, we're not going to be able to draw out another M, so that is not a possible selection. We can, however, draw out an A and a T because they still remain in the bag. All right, so it tells us that this one here is with replacement. And this one here is without replacement. Can't draw without replacement. Let's rub that out. Using the tables in the mixed section, we want to find out what's the probability of having TM drawn in table A. Right, so TM, we can see that exists here. Okay, so that has one outcome, one possibility out of a total of 9. And then in table B, TM has one possibility. Down here. One possibility out of a total of 6. All up. The number of outcomes that include A, so remember that's the number of outcomes that include A in table A. So the number of outcomes that have an A in table A, let's highlight all of those. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, that's already done once, 5. Okay, so we've got 5 possible outcomes for table A. And then for table B, all the possible outcomes in table B within A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's a little look into arrays and how they're used. So remember they can be used with and without replacement. When they're done without replacement, that means anything that has that letter drawn first can't have that letter or item drawn again. So looking specifically at these parts highlighted here. Okay. And that one, table B. Hope that helped, gang. Like, subscribe, etc. to the channel, and I hope you're enjoying your time at home while you watch these. See you next time.